In this video, we will look at some of the best GPS drones on AliExpress. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5. Lenovo V88 Drone. The Lenovo V88 drone is an impressive aerial device, boasting a range of advanced features that make it a standout option for both hobbyists and professionals. Camera quality. The drone comes equipped with an 8K HD front camera and a dual camera system, offering stunning photo resolutions of 7680 by 4320 pixels and video resolutions of 3840 by 2160 pixels. The lens is adjustable by 90 degrees, enhancing versatility in capturing footage. Stability and control. It features an altitude-setting pressure sensor and optical flow localization, ensuring stable flight and precise positioning. The electronic image stabilization, EIS, further enhances image clarity, even during movement. Flight performance. The V88 is powered by a General Brush motor with an ESC of 4000/kV, and its intelligent lithium battery supports up to 40 minutes of flight time. It also has a control distance of 5,000 meters and a Wi-Fi image transmission distance of 1,500 meters, providing extensive coverage. User-friendly functions. This drone offers various user-friendly functions such as gesture photography, route customization through an app, and one-key return. It also supports headless mode and has a 6-axis gyroscope for stable and controlled flight. Safety features. Equipped with 720 degrees omnidirectional obstacle avoidance and anti-interference technology. Number 4. Xiaomi Mi Jia P11 Max Drone. 8K HD camera and live video. The P11 Max features an upgraded 8K HD wide-angle camera with a 120 degrees adjustable angle, allowing users to capture stunning photos and videos. Advanced FPV transmission technology ensures seamless live video streaming, making it easy to share on social media via the app. Extended flight time. With 3 batteries, the drone offers a total flight time of up to 45 minutes. The upgraded charging cable includes imported chips for overvoltage protection, enhancing safety during charging. Multifunctional flight options. This drone caters to both beginners and experts with 3 adjustable speed levels, a one-key takeoff/landing feature, and a fun 360 degrees flip function, making it versatile and exciting to fly. Lightweight and portable. Designed for portability, the lightweight and compact P11 Max is ideal for outdoor adventures. It's perfect for capturing breathtaking aerial moments during hikes and road trips. Efficient logistics. Number 3. L900 Pro GPS Drone. The L900 Pro features a foldable design, making it compact and easy to carry for any adventure. Camera quality. Equipped with an ESC 4K HD wide-angle camera, the drone's camera angle can be adjusted 90 degrees via the controller. This ensures you capture high-quality images and videos from various perspectives. 5G Wi-Fi and real-time transmission. The 5G Wi-Fi function allows connection to an app for real-time transmission of photos and videos directly to your smartphone. GPS-assisted flight. This feature provides accurate positioning, and the drone automatically returns home when the battery is low or the signal is weak, preventing loss. Optical flow positioning and altitude hold. Number 2. Xiaomi Z908 Pro Max Drone. Dual 8K cameras. The Xiaomi Z908 Pro Max features dual 8K cameras with a 150 degrees electric adjustment, allowing for versatile shooting angles, including upside-down shots. This offers professional-grade photo and video quality. Brushless motor. Equipped with the 816 brushless motor, the drone provides powerful, quiet performance with less maintenance. Number 1. Fimi Mini 3 New Drone. The Fimi Mini 3 supports high-speed 4K/60 FPS video recording, delivering detailed and smooth footage for stunning visuals. Sony 1/2" 48MP sensor. Featuring a Sony 48MP CMOS image sensor, the drone excels in capturing high-quality images even in challenging lighting conditions. AI Super Night Video. Equipped with a next-generation AI ISP chip, it offers a 400% higher signal-to-noise ratio compared to previous models, ensuring impressive night scene recordings. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you like this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like. And if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.